Brother knows the garment industry. 100 years of experience in manufacturing sewing machines, embroidery equipment, direct-to-garment printers. Brother DTG is an industry pioneer in one of the fastest-growing decorating technologies. Brother provides high-quality, durable inks, as well as a high level of training and support. Brother DTG raises the bar with improved chemistry, state-of-the-art hardware, and enhanced software. A solution for garment decorators, fulfillment companies, sign companies, fashion brands, retail, schools, and more. Inobella Textile is an exclusive formula of ink chemistry and pre-treatment for GTX printers. Innovative ink cartridge and pouch system help maximize ink usage and is environmentally friendly, providing a large color gamut for brilliant prints. Bright colors and an intense white ink will help to create a finished product that will impress your customers. Ecotex certified Inobella Textile water-based inks are eco-friendly and safe for printing on children's clothing. AATCC wash test validates our durable prints with strong washability. Inobella Textile inks, along with GTX printer, are a winning solution. GTX's state-of-the-art hardware advances can be the solutions for your printed apparel needs. GTX's new print heads are 70% larger and have 3 times the number of nozzles per ink channel versus previous models. This allows for faster print speeds that result in up to 35 standard-size prints an hour on dark garments and approximately 50 on light garments. With an oversized print area of 16 inches by 21 inches, customize products as well as apparel in a variety of sizes, from children to adults. GTX was built to be operator-friendly. An enhanced control panel with file storage displays artwork thumbnail and key file stats. Built-in auto maintenance features, white ink circulation, and wet capping stations help to ensure the GTX printer is ready to go. Communicating with the GTX printer is simple. Design and print from your favorite graphic design software on both a Mac and PC operating system. Or use the included Graphics Lab printing software that allows users to add text and other graphic effects to enhance the design. The GTX printer will read the data and begin printing the design. Inobella Textile chemistry, state-of-the-art hardware, and enhanced printing software. This all-brother-made printer is revolutionizing the way garment printing is being done. Visit www.brotherdtg.com for more details on the GTX printer and communicate with a DTG specialist today.
After taking over, or MHM have been taking over from the Arioli Group in 2011, we have renewed the company. We have reorganized the company completely. We have done a new structure in management. And the next step has been, of course, renewing the machines, building MHM back to the high quality machines, what we have done in the past. What MHM name was very famous for that, and that was our first target to make that. The success was very good. We doubled production nearly in the past 3.5 years. Quality is good. We have renewed all the machines to the latest level, latest securities, latest technology, tablet control, software, do applications for the customers, for the printers. And finally, 2 years ago, we introduced the IQ Oval machine, which has a revolutionary single drive pallet system, and this machine was giving us total the option to think new. And actually this was one of the points it was leading into this new project, the digital. In the past years we have been watching the market very carefully, and we did not see any really productive combination, screen printing, digital printing. We have a facility based in Austria. We produce the machines fully in Austria. Even the parts are up to 85% made in-house. Of course, maybe some components we have to buy, electronic boards, inverters are bought externally, but the rest is done in there. We have our own CNC area where we do all the aluminum parts, all the machining. We have our own welding, we have our own cutting facility. We do everything. We do the pre-assembling. We build up the machines nearly complete. They are fully tested for 24 hours. The facility is 4,500 square meters, and we have about 63 employees in that facility. MHM had the idea to go to the digital printing since a few years. And as I said, I mean, we have been watching the market, and there was no real solution for that. And then we made several testing, and we were talking with customers, and we said, okay, if MHM is doing something, we have to make it differently, because what it needs in the digital printing is an industrial machine running on an industrial speed with industrial quality. And that's what brought us to this project, to have it. It was born and named in the beginning as a digital squeegee. So, and actually when you see it moving, it acts like a digital squeegee because it's two strokes. It's like printing flooding, that's what it is. First, I'd like to mention that the digital technology is not new for us. As we are a member of the Arioli Group, the Arioli Group does have a roll-to-roll digital machine since 2 years already in the market. So we know that the technical issues, we have the experience already. We said, let's adapt something good functioning to the MHM machines. So we know, and we are feeling very confident with the digital printing. And the combination about Arioli and MHM is the result in the IQ Digital. After inventing this digital squeegee to the IQ Digital, we were doing, of course, several testings with different print heads, with different inks. And we are a machine manufacturer, and our main target is to make the customers happy, to give them a platform, a machine where they are not locked into one system only. So our target will be to have an open system in inks and in print heads. That means we will certify ink manufacturer to use their ink on our machines, and in the end the customer has more options to go, because sometimes maybe for certain fabrics this is better, and for other fabrics the other might be better. So we just don't want to lock it down in this minute. Let's talk a little bit about productivity. That was, of course, one of the main targets. Cost per print and productivity. And we have been running this machine on 600 by 600 DPI. We have been running on 780 pieces an hour. I think that's a number nobody can reach so far. And it's made in a very good way. The reason why we split it up, the machine, let's not split it up, why we have printing on 2 pallets. There is one issue when you print 700 pieces and more in digital. You have to be flat with your surface. And by bringing it on 2 pallets, you give the operators way more time to place the goods in the perfect way, to keep up with this, because otherwise it's nearly impossible.
And what about the actual print area on the machine?
The print areas, they're variable. We have a smaller version, like this one is here. It's running with a limited amount of print heads, and it's 38 centimeters wide, up to 1 meter 20 long, and it goes up to 65 centimeter wide and 120 meters long. So the length is not a problem, it's more the width. Width is limited until a certain point. You are totally open for anything. This is what it is. You're not locked into only digital high speed. I mean, you can pre-print white on dark shirts if you want to keep up productivity or low cost. The only way to produce, in our opinion, in this moment, is to pre-print the white, because with the digital printing, the white is too expensive. You can foil on this machine, you can flock on this machine, you can print high density and print the digital on top of it. I mean, this is just no limits. It's just no limits. You can configure your machine longer, shorter, you add stations, whatever you want to do. Now, I mean, it's feasible, it's there. First of all, the water-based ink is cheaper than the specialized inks. This is water-based pigment ink, which is actually in the market since years. It is used in the roll-to-roll already. It's not new, and the controlling of that ink with this amount of print heads is so accurate. So the cost of the prints are really dropping down to like nothing. Average print cost is about maybe 5 to 6 cents. And also the machine does have the fully control. You see the amount of drops you put down on a print. You exactly know how much ink you have used for each print. It makes it very clear for every kind of calculation. The next step with these machines, I mean, is already everything is set. We have selected customers in Europe. In the moment, 2 customers will get a machine by the beginning of 2017. One is coming from the fashion side, one is coming from the high volume production side. So this will be the next 3-4 months to have proper tests in both directions. We're gonna start the pre-ordering in January, and we will start delivering machines by the middle of next year. There will not be too many machines produced in the coming year. We still see it as a testing year or finalizing year. We wanna show the next really printing and productive machine at the Vespa show in May in Hamburg. But by the middle of next year to the end of next year, there will be another 5 to 6 machines going to selected customers.
Welcome to a new era in screen printing machinery. MHM is proud to release the new IQ Oval with IDS, the Intelligent Drive System. Unlike all other ovals in the world today, this drive system doesn't require any chain or belt to move the tables, so they are totally individual from each other, which puts the oval concept to a whole new level. This machine is available from 8 up to 60 tables, and the modular system allows the customer to change its configuration at any time, even after installation. On the IQ Oval, 3 print formats come as standard: 50 by 70, 70 by 100 and 80 by 110 centimeters. All over prints are possible. With a production capacity of up to 1500 pieces per hour, the IQ Oval is again in a class of its own. For user-friendly operation, the IQ Oval is also equipped with the latest M-Touch Pro operating system with tablet interface. The well-known, tested and proven MHM printing stations come as standard, making the IQ Oval instantly familiar to the operator, minimizing training and maintaining perfect compatibility. Our widely acclaimed pre-registration system allows a fast and easy print setup, just like any other MHM machine. Instant pallet release is standard. As an option, the print station can be lifted in order to allow better access to clean the screens or to gain free space for loading and unloading. This space can also be used for additional external equipment. The Intelligent Drive System allowed us to remove all kinds of safety barriers on the machine itself. If there is an obstacle or even an operator within the moving area, the drive system recognizes and stops immediately. In case of a safety stop, after confirmation, the pallets move back to the original position and the index will continue without losing prints or having misprints. With no need for safety barriers, the operator has full and unrestricted access to the loading area, even on the end of the machine, which was just impossible on traditional oval designs. With the pallets being totally individual and every print station having its own registration pin, a 100% registration accuracy is provided each and every time. Unlike other oval machines, there is no possibility for the registration to get misaligned, as there is no part which will stretch and lose accuracy over time. The IQ Oval provides incomparable long-term reliability, extremely low maintenance requirements and zero registration problems. During clean mode, the pallets can be moved further apart by hand to gain even better access. Due to the repositioning feature, the pallets will find back to their original position on their own. Having 2 empty pallets on each side of the machine, the IQ Oval also provides the 2-job mode. This virtually splits the system into 2 machines, so 2 different print jobs can run simultaneously. MHM packs features into their machines not only for the sake of it, but features the printer can actually use to increase quality and productivity. A new era in screen printing machinery has arrived. The IQ Oval with IDS, the Intelligent Drive System, exclusively by MHM. Innovation, quality, reliability. MHM presents the S-Type Extreme. The S-Type Extreme is available in 8 to 16 colors in the standard version and up to 14 colors in the long stroke version. The standard version has a printing format of 45 by 55 cm, that is 18 by 22 inches. The long stroke version measures 45 by 70 cm, that is 18 by 27 inches. It has a capacity of up to 1,400 pieces per hour, which can be achieved in both directions, clockwise or counterclockwise. The technical solutions offered by the S-Type Extreme make the machine easy and efficient to use, starting with its fast setup. Instant pellet release at the touch of a button is standard. The registration pins on the screens ensure a highly accurate screen position and excellent stability. The screens are micro-adjustable in every direction. The off contact can be set individually, from 0 to 8 mm at the front and the rear for each print station. Gaining access for changing the squeegees by lifting the arm is easy, and the changeover itself can be completed in a very short time. The angle of the squeegees and float bars is adjustable in 5-degree increments, and so accurate repeatability of the settings is provided. The stroke of the carriage is easily adjustable without the use of tools, as is the speed in either direction. The AC drive achieves a high torque at every speed and thereby ensures a smooth stroke for a perfect result. A full safety system with guards on every printing station offers maximum operator safety. With our latest M-Touch Pro operating system, every function from adjustments to the automatic mode can be visualized on and operated from the display. The hybrid control allows the machine to be kept fully operational, even when the tablet is broken, which means no downtime in production. A status transfer to a mobile or PC is also possible. The S-Type Extreme represents one of the most reliable and highest performance carousel screen printing machines on the market. Of course, made by MHM. Innovation, quality, reliability.
Introducing the new SynchroPrint 5000 screen printing machine by industry pioneer MHM Austria. This latest masterpiece replaces the SP4000, which was recognized all over the world as the best screen printing machine available. The innovative SP5000 is a true reflection of our pioneering heritage and the flagship of our carousel machines. The SynchroPrint 5000 is available with up to 18 colors with a standard print area of 50 by 70 centimeters, that is 20 by 28 inches, or 70 by 100 centimeters, that is 28 by 39 inches. These standard print areas may also be adapted to your specific requirements upon request. The SynchroPrint 5000 Automatic is the only screen printing machine in the world which features an automatic screen positioning system, where motors are used to control and record the screen positions. Once the screen positions are set, they can be saved and recalled anytime. The memory capacity is almost unlimited. The setup time for a previously stored design is reduced to seconds by simply inserting the screens and recalling the design. The screens are automatically driven to the exact position by highly accurate step motors. A readjustment is usually not necessary. A further advantage is the remarkable go-to system. When setting up a new print job, operators need only adjust the first screen into position. Then simply press the go-to button and all of the remaining screens will drive synchronously to the exact same position. Switching between step sizes from 1mm down to 0.01mm allows an incredible accuracy of adjustment. All stations are also controllable directly from the main tablet controller, where another big time saver is the possibility to move the screens during operation. There is no need to stop the machine to readjust screens at the printing station. It can be done directly from the main tablet controller with minimal interruption to production. These sophisticated technical solutions make the SynchroPrint 5000 Automatic extremely efficient and very easy to use. Another fantastic feature is the push-button palette change feature, which is standard on all MHM machines. A simple push of a button is all it takes to change the palettes. Our screen holding system with MHM pin lock ensures a highly accurate screen position, excellent stability during printing, and perfect repeatability. All MHM screen printing machines feature an extremely fast squeegee changeover. The squeegees have a unique floating mechanism to ensure uniform pressure and a perfect spread of ink. The squeegee and flood bar angles are adjustable in 5-degree increments with easy-to-read scales. Also, the height of both the squeegee and flood bar can be adjusted individually. The stroke of the carriage and its speed are easy to adjust in either direction. The AC frequency drive motors provide smooth and precise strokes at all print speeds, regardless of squeegee pressure, resulting in a far superior handling of the print through the selection of finer mesh counts. This entire data, including the screen positions and speed settings, may be saved directly at each print station for greater operator convenience. The linear guides on all print heads are fully sealed to prevent dirt from getting into the drive system, to greatly increase the service life of the machine. Off-contact adjustment ranging from 0 to 10 mm may be set centrally for all screens from the main tablet control, making it really easy to switch from one type of garment to another. Optional individual off-contact is also available for each print station if required. The SynchroPrint 5000 is equipped with the latest safety technology to comply completely with the CE standards. With its innovative hybrid control system with M-Touch Pro tablet controller, this is the machine to power your future business. A great range of options are also available, including solutions for flock and foil, a range of flash cure units, full Wi-Fi connection to your PC or mobile phone, along with online technical support, all designed to make your life easier. The amazing SynchroPrint 5000 Automatic is once again setting the standards by which all others follow. Of course, made by MHM. Innovation, quality, reliability.